Now, you may have heard so being used before in a cause and effect sentence with two clauses. So is used to express the effect. It was raining, so I took an umbrella. But today what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to use so with adverbs and adjectives to show a consequence, and we're also going to learn some sentences with the word such that have the same meaning as this as well. So stay tuned to the end to ensure that you learn everything. So let's start off by talking about so with adverbs and adjectives. We use so plus adverb or adjective plus that and then the consequence, okay? So for example, I can say something like, the meal was so delicious that I'm going to eat it again tomorrow. The meal was so delicious. Delicious is an adjective, so delicious that. Okay, we could also say the trip was so enjoyable that I'm going again next year. Here are just some simple sentences. It gets more interesting when we use adverbs with so. Again, we use so, adverb, that, and then the consequence, okay? He was driving so fast that he caused an accident. We could also say he cooked so well that we ate all the food. Try making some sentences below using so with an adjective or an adverb, and I'll correct you in the comments below. Okay, so now let's move on to such. We use such in the very same way, except with such, what we can do is we can add nouns into the sentence as well. So what we can say is we can say such, adjective, noun, that, and then the result or consequence. But just remember with the singular nouns, we have to add a. So we have to say such a, adjective, noun, that, and then the consequence, okay? So for example, I could say we had such a great meal that I'm going to come back to this restaurant again. Okay, that's one example. Let's use a different one, except this time I'm going to not use a countable noun, a singular countable noun. I can say she has such beautiful eyes that I can't take my eyes off of her. It's another good example, right? It was such a great movie that I'm going to buy the DVD when it comes out. We had such an enjoyable English lesson that I'm going to take the class again. Now you can make some of your own examples in the comments below. If you do make a comment below, I'll check it later. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you learned something new. If you want to continue learning, then please press this video here.